On January 8th, 1969, Kathleen Folbigg's father, Thomas Britton, murdered her mother, May Donovan, by stabbing her 24 times. Her father would be arrested the day after the murder and would be sentenced to 15 years in prison. He was also deported to England. Kathleen was put into foster care with a couple, but on the 18th of July 1970, she was moved to a children's home. 2 months later, she found a permanent foster care home. This arrangement lasted until she reached adulthood. Kathleen left school at the age of 15 and married Craig Gibson Folbigg in 1987. Kathleen began killing her children in 1989. Her first child, a boy, Caleb Gibson Folbigg, was born on the 1st of February 1989. 20th of February, Kathleen put Caleb to bed in a room next to the one she shared with her husband, but during the night, Caleb began to get sick. In the morning, Caleb was found dead by Kathleen, and his death was attributed to cot death. He was only 19 days old. Second son, Patrick Allen Folbigg, was born on the 3rd of June 1990. Craig decided that he would stay with his wife and their newborn for 3 months after the birth. On the 18th of October, Kathleen put Patrick to bed. Craig, however, was awakened by Kathleen's screams. When he rushed to the baby's room, he found Kathleen standing near the cot. Craig noticed that Patrick was not breathing and he tried to revive him. An ambulance was later called and Patrick was taken to the hospital. He would later be diagnosed with epilepsy and cortical blindness. Though the apparent life-threatening event took place, it went unexplained. Patrick Allen Folbigg died 4 months later due to seizures. On February 18th, Kathleen called her husband at work to report that Patrick had died. She said to her husband, "It has happened again." During the death of Patrick, the couple moved to Thornton, New South Wales. Sarah Kathleen Folbigg was born on the 14th of October 1992. She died on the 29th of August 1993, aged 10 months. In 1996, the couple moved again, this time to Singleton. They gave birth to a daughter named Laura Elizabeth Folbigg. She was born on the 7th of August 1997 and died on the 27th of February 1999, aged 18 months. Kathleen Folbigg's trial lasted 7 weeks. The prosecution alleged that Kathleen smothered her 4 children during periods of frustration. During the trial, Kathleen's interview with the police was played to the jury. Kathleen tried to run out of the courtroom. On the 21st of May 2003, Kathleen Folbigg was found guilty by the Supreme Court of New South Wales. She was found guilty on 3 counts of murder, 1 count of manslaughter, and 1 count of maliciously inflicting grievous bodily harm. On the 24th of October, she was sentenced to 40 years in prison. 30 of those years were to be served before she could apply for parole. Kathleen appealed her case, but it was rejected on the 24th of March 2021.